Gold 98 Destin. I'm here today at Henderson Beach in Destin, Florida, and I'm going to take you guys on a beach walk this morning. If you're thinking about planning a trip to Destin soon, check out 5stargolfrentals.com. I linked it in the description of this live video, but they've got a ton of different vacation homes in the area, all from Destin all the way out to Inlet Beach on 30A. So check that out, and we'll just get to the beach walk. If you have any questions about visiting Destin, feel free to drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it for you. Is the June grass still here? There's a little bit of June grass. This beach isn't as bad over as Pompano Joe's was yesterday, but it looks like there's definitely a little bit of June grass. It'll probably be gone within the next few weeks. Usually it's gone by July. I hope you guys can hear me. It's pretty windy, but I tried putting a Band-Aid on the mic, and I did that yesterday too, but it was very big windy in the video yesterday, so I need to figure out a better solution than the Band-Aid. If you guys have any suggestions for how I can help with the wind, feel free to comment down below, because I am seriously looking for something better than this Band-Aid. Any shark attacks this year? No, we rarely have any shark attacks, very rarely have any sightings. I go to the beach like every day, never seen a shark. If there are sharks, of course, in this area, but they're not going to be near the shoreline, especially because the water is a lot warmer near the shoreline where it's shallow, and they don't really like hot water. So they'll be deeper out. So if you're just an average beach goer, you really don't need to worry about sharks. Is this a state park? Yes, Henderson is a state park in Destin. Water temperature is around like 84 degrees. What beach am I at right now? I'm over at Henderson Beach. And are there jellyfish this time of year? There aren't any man of wars. They put a purple flag up if there's a man of war, and there's no purple flag in this area. So as far as I know, no. There are water taxis in the area, if you're wondering. What is a water taxi? It's basically a boat you can take out to go out to sea. It's exactly how it sounds. It's a boat that acts as a taxi. Is the June grass still coming up? Yeah, it's looking like there's still June grass in the water in this area. Is there a good place to fish on the beach? So I don't really know anything about fishing, unfortunately, but I know that people do fish from the beach, so I think you can fish, at least from Crystal Beach in the area that we are in right now, you can fish from the beach. I don't know if fishing's any good, but there are lots of people that do it, so it must be pretty good. Is there still June grass in July or in August, or is it usually gone by then? It's usually gone by July. Where is Henderson Beach located? It's located right next to Crystal Beach. It's in Destin, Florida, so if you want to know where Destin is, it's between Pensacola and Tallahassee on the panhandle of Florida. Is there June grass at Henderson Beach? Yes, there still is June grass in this area. When does June grass usually subside? Usually by the beginning of July, it's pretty much gone. I don't remember it being here any time last year after the 4th of July. The weather today has a 56% chance of rain, a high of 84, a low of 78. It looks like if it's going to rain, it's going to rain around 4 o'clock this afternoon. It'll be like partly cloudy until then, and then it's going to be sunny. It looks like it's only going to rain for about an hour or so this afternoon, and then the sun's going to come back out, and then more rain showers overnight. The thing about Destin you have to keep in mind about storms is that they usually only last an hour, and then it'll be sunny again for the rest of the day. So if your forecast says there's going to be rain every day on your vacation, I wouldn't freak out about it. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to go check out 5 Star Golf Rentals if you're planning a trip to the area soon. Bye guys!